Okay, I had to be a little creative on the getting the washers on and the nut because it's inside there and I can't get two fingers in. So I decided to use a screwdriver, and the goal is to put the end of the screwdriver right on the bolt, and then with the another finger I'm going to push them off onto it. So ideally, I've been pretty lucky on the other two. Okay, right there. Now I'm going to push them over. Yeah, okay, we got it. Okay, so those two are on. And now I'm going to grab the shallow socket. I've already put the nut inside of here. And I'm just going to put it on there. And hopefully it'll start. Probably should hold it pretty straight. It feels like it's turning on good. Getting a little closer to the end. Okay, it's tight, and now I'm gonna give it a little extra. And I did include a lock washer on there with a regular washer, and it's on there good and snug. I'm gonna hit it with a little Z-zip on there. That'll coat it, and then that'll penetrate it some, and it'll harden because of the one oil in there semi-hardens, or hardens pretty good. Not like hard like paint, but that'll also help hold it on and protect it from rust. Okay, one more.